Hi everyone, dan official 92 chanela kan lo lom chewa với lại hian các truyền pa hi cho ila ka soma cho Mizo trong bể cái cha cái gì đó cho Mizo trong bể sao trong cái này đó na chẳng cái chum te mai tam top fry te cho nên purun na le artui kan khang hu le i artui kan ani a cho nên hết tại hianin saka fry le arsa fry kan ta ta sa hi ange da lak lo ba kam kan siam le ta cho nên hết tại hianin what is the name?
This is beetroot.
Beetroot and tahan onion le tomato cucumber le carrot te kan zai le pa kan da ta thun he ta hianin pang bal nei kan ei vak loi ka sha ma se ka ei chak do ba kan siam a vein chu chuanin he ta hianin bete kan om le ta chuan chakok le badam salaba kan siam a he ta thing phong ma le badam thau ni a chuan he ta han tung bu so ni te ta chuan he ta hian pui nom he ta hianin ange fry ni te ta sanga ek le he ta hianin bekang tui don le to he kan siam don ta tu na kan lo enga a top thlanga min thlir sak turin kan som vek chu ni
Come, Dana, I'm so hungry. I can't wait anymore. So let's start from this. What is this?
this is we call Mizo bete
Mizo patty.
bete yeah later
Okay,
just
okay.
take first
Just take whatever you want. Okay, there are also
if you don't know anything
This is I know. This is
yeah.
chicken. This is called arsa,
Okay
and this is called sangha in Mizo. This is fish.
second fry
I fried the fish, but it's not crispy. And like
which one I will eat
it's very confusing. There are also like
yeah.
thank you so much for this invitation.
You're welcome.
Like usually I don't get this type of food in hostel.
This is become this is Mizo favorite like become
Just give it to the
little bit okay.
This is becam, the
Becam.
fermented soybean. I know that.
Soya bean and that yeah. Tasty so spicy
So spicy.
oh my god
How to say? Alum ritu.
so
Nice.
nice just bring algae
Which one? Which one?
green one yeah this is algae
That's fish, right?
You
Just
want?
keep the bowl here.
this
Okay, that's okay. This is what you said?
algae
Alhin. You fry, right?
yeah
Okay. This is common in Assam also.
Really?
You have to, yeah.
okay you want kang hu and artui
Yeah, just give me. Kanko, I tried 2 times. Like
really
how the smell is like liquid, the
Yeah.
gas cylinder, right? Nice.
how you like Mizo chawhmeh
Yeah, it's very tasty. And this side is tumbu, right?
tombo
Tumbu, and you prepare with pork.
liver chicken
Pork
liver
or chicken liver. Sorry. Nice. Wait, I'm confused. There are also I think.
how
Tasty. Just have chicken. We did not prepare by, right? What is that?
This is all pang.
Okay.
So nice.
And this is tapioca.
Tapioca is like it mizo. It's called pang bang.
Okay. Mm.
Do it all.
It's very tasty.
How tumbo?
I have not tried, I think, tumbo.
Because we have lots.
No, I already eat.
We have lots of big able team.
Yeah, it's very confusing.
Good.
Just give me the count. I like it.
No, you can do together this one.
Yeah.
If you want, you can take more.
If you really want to try Mizo food, you can contact Dana. Just subscribe his channel and contact him. In Aizawl also there are lots of restaurants where you can get Mizo food. But if you prepare by yourself, that's more convenient. It's more tasty and more hygienic.
You want Puinam?
Yeah, a little bit.
This
Yeah.
is Puinam, okay.
Good. Good mirror.
You never tried soup.
Yeah, we have never.
You should try.
Yeah. This is the leaves only, right?
Yeah. Oh,
Very simple. Like very light.
don't have it, okay?
Yeah. This is pumpkin salad, right? Pumpkin with peanut, right?
So nice, right? Become.
Yeah, it's very tasty.
Oh my god, so tasty. You are not eating.
Yeah, okay. Tapioca. These things I have not seen in my place. Maybe we might have, but we don't know the name or like we cannot identify. What else I have not tried? Okay, let's try
Yeah,
this.
good for this one.
I'm not sure, okay, whether it's going to be tasty or not, because when I was preparing, there was lots of oil coming out. Let's take a little bit. Okay, let me try.
Little bit better, I think. Oh.
Yeah, it's bitter, but it's fine.
So nice. If we are not finished now.
Nice. Actually, in Northeast India, like especially those people who stay in the hilly region, they don't eat too much masala, too much spicy. They prefer like boiling food. And it's good for health also. But it's not like that people who stay in hilly region, they don't know how to eat masala and spicy. They of course they eat. But in every their food item there will be some boiled vegetables. And in Mizoram, bai is very popular. Like the boiled vegetable that is called bai, and there are lots of different name of bai, different varieties of bai. So if you come to Aizawl or like Mizoram, you should try this Mizo food, especially the bai.
Oh, we forgot choco.
Oh, this is what?
Choco.
Okay, I'll just give you
Come on.
Just put it here. This is fern, yeah. In my place we call it hekia.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very rare to get in Aizawl. I always tried it.
Đâm lọc này không? Choco lẹ, cái căng lẹ thì biết mất à? Từ dừa không? And then, so nice. Give me more of the cup.
Right.
No, the cup.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Anh giống rồi, cần ấy giống cái đồ này cho phá người anh chờ chờ rồi. Cần ấy thế cái gì nó.
You didn't eat fish also.
Anh có mạch thằng Khang.
I'll eat. Just you know, you don't know
Yeah.
the picture.
So nice.
My God, I'm so tired. We almost finished half of the item. Oh my God, I can't believe that. How can we eat so much? You want rice?
Yeah.
Just
More?
Yeah. Enough?
No.
You need more?
No, nothing.
Okay. So you can see the table is almost empty. Just you can see it's all empty.
Thank you so much.
I think we bacon. I love the bacon
You have.
Okay.
Yeah, take that.
because I'm having little bit cold. That's why bacon is a bit spicy. I love it.
Become yes, oh my god.
Take them.
Eat more, okay?
No, this is more than enough.
No. It's everything. Okay.
If any one of you watching from outside Northeast India or outside Mizoram, and if you are planning to visit Aizawl, Mizoram, and if you have interest to try Mizo food one day, just comment, okay? And I will recommend you different shop or restaurant where you can have Mizo food. I'm sweating.
I like the miso, so
Yeah, I love the food really so much. I have to prepare in my hometown.
the căng này happy happy. It's so nice. Welcome home.
No.
Today's work man.
I'm sweating also. Oh, I forgot to tell you, like, we are eating, this is the green leaves you can see, right? This is banana leaves. And eating over the banana leaves is kind of tradition in Northeast India since long time. It has lots of medicinal value also. If you eat over the banana leaves, it's very good.
Did you ever try pork meat?
Yeah, but I don't eat that much.
Okay.
Very rarely I eat pork meat.
In Mizoram, the most famous meat is
Pork meat?
yeah, bro. Is everyone they are eating. So
You like you boil or fry?
anything. Both I like fry also I know.
What you call pork in Mizo language?
Called boksar.
Boksar.
Yeah. This miso favorite. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
You cannot eat.
My stomach is very tight. I can't eat anymore. I'm done. Okay.
I know it. Are you okay?
So I'm done for today. It was really a very delicious food that I have today after a long time. I don't remember when I had a good homemade food. That's why I told my friend it's better to have in your home. Like we can go to the restaurant also, but we cannot eat the way we are eating here very comfortably. So I'm very thankful to you. Thank you so much, Kadam Gandu. And really, some of the vegetable is very new for me. So I'm very excited to eat more in the upcoming times. I will try to find out in my hometown also. If we find, then I will make for my family. It's really nice. Oh, sorry, I did not eat this one.
Samtro.
This is called
Samtro.
Samtro. Yeah, this kind of brinjal.
Yeah, need to be
Yeah.
better.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, just subscribe and keep supporting always.